Noboru is about to run out of food, and he's gonna give me a real sad face when he does. Nothing left. There's nothing left. Yep. Are you hungry? That's a yes. Let me get you your food. You want some food? Here you go, buddy. You're not gonna eat? You got food right there. You don't want it? Are you sure? Oh, there you go. You just wanted me to get away from it. That's a good boy. I have to explain something really quick. So yesterday when I was in Toyama, I was walking through Toyama Station. I came across this group of 4 people who were painting this big, really beautiful mural. And so of course I wanted to get it on film and show you guys. And they were actually working on it right there. So I stopped for a long time and took a couple of time lapses. And I talked to the people a little bit, and they were super friendly, super nice. While I was there, someone from City Hall actually came by and asked me what I was filming for, was very friendly about it. But when I asked if it would be okay for me to put the videos up on YouTube, they said, well, actually, I'm not sure. Let me take your information and I will email you about it tomorrow, which is today. So I just got this email from them. Basically what this email says is it's okay for me to upload the footage, but the official unveiling of it isn't until tomorrow afternoon. So even though it's in public, they asked me to hold off on uploading the footage until after the official unveiling. So basically, when this video goes up, it'll be pretty much okay for me to show the footage. So I'm just gonna take the footage and just play it right in this video right now. So please enjoy. Okay, well, I was about to go home, but then I walked by and saw this. And this is awesome. These guys are making this painting, or this mural, I guess you would call it. I just talked to them. They said they are from the local art school. They're teachers and staff members from the local art school, and they've been working on this originally, like from the design phase. They've been working on it for 2 years, and it's just now like culminating in the final actual painting of it. So they're really excited about it. It looks amazing. Check this out. Let's go. day is clear. So I've really got nothing going on. I thought, you know what the heck? I'll take a walk. I'll show you a little bit of my town and show you what it's like every time I have to walk to Kurobe Station. So I'm gonna walk to the station and come back. Having a day with a clear schedule like this is simultaneously really awesome and really frustrating. On the one hand, of course, having time to yourself, having personal time is really great. I mean, who doesn't love that? That's awesome. You can do whatever you want. I can stay in and relax if I want. I could go out, do whatever the heck I need to do. But on the other hand, I'm someone that really does not do well with free time. I do best when I have a routine, when I have a schedule. That's when I'm really my most productive and my most just performing at my best. Kids at the pool. Like monkeys in a zoo. Right there, that's the best pizza you can get in all of Toyama. Amazing, amazing pizza. Pole Pole Jamboree. In fact, I'm wearing their t-shirt right now. So all this right here, big danger zone, because that up there is a popular spot for birds to hang out. Gotta be careful. This is Kurobe's main street. I'm told that it used to have a lot of local shops and things and family-owned businesses, but I guess now, much like a lot of small-town America, a lot of the big chains have come in and opened up shops nearby, so now there's not too many shops left that are still in business. Coming up on the left-hand side here, this is our city's public hospital, the Shiminbyoin. The only time I've ever had to go there was when I got my wisdom teeth pulled out, which was actually a really pleasant experience, considering what it is and where I am. They were actually really nice and really professional, and the best part about it was they said, they told me, like, oh, our Japanese medicine is very weak and it's not enough for you Americans, so I will give you 2 times the normal dosage that we usually give for painkillers. And so they gave me twice the normal dosage, which I think actually ended up being, you know, more than I would have gotten in the States if I had gone and done it in the States. So it was 100% painless. And I was almost like 100% back in business the very next day, just like ready to go to work. It was really awesome. like a long walk, and it is, don't get me wrong, but it's actually really nice. I like walking here. For a while, actually, in the recent history of Lawrence, I was a runner. I would run all over the place, but I think I ran a little too much, or I kind of messed up my training. I ended up like injuring myself. I think I got IT band syndrome, so I can't run for a little while. So in times like this, when I can't run, I go for walks, and I do it a lot. I go for a lot of long walks around the town. It's really nice. And that is how you get from my house to Kurobe Station in about 30 minutes. Alright guys, I know this is probably a short vlog today, but my girlfriend's coming over, Salary's coming over, she's on her way right now, and we're just gonna have a date night to ourselves, no cameras, so I'm gonna call it a night. Have a good day everyone, and I'll talk to you next time. Bye bye.